Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have a GA4 property and the measurement ID. This is essential because it ties site events to your property. Once done, put that ID into Next public GA ID in. Env. Local so client code can read it securely. Next, add the Google tag snippet using Next.js script or the built-in Next/script component. This injects G-tag early. Do this now so analytics loads on first paint and captures initial page data. Now set up instrumentation. Create a small lib/G tag, JS that wraps window. G tag with page view and event functions. This centralizes logic and prevents repetition. Then in pages/app, JS listen for router. Events route change complete and call your page view helper so single page application navigations register. For interactions, call the event helper where users click or submit. Pass category, action, label, and value so reports remain meaningful. Make sure to debounce rapid events to avoid spam. To finish, verify tracking. Open GA debug view or real-time and perform actions while viewing the site. You should see page view and custom events. If nothing appears, make sure Next public GA ID is exposed to client code and that the script tag loads before your event calls. Once done, monitor for sampling and filter out internal traffic. If problems persist, inspect the Browser Network tab for G-tag. JS requests and post hits. Missing requests indicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.